students, welcome to Vidya Mirad. This video is made for class 8 on chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable, and today we are going to begin with exercise 2.3. I hope children you must have practiced exercise 2.1 very thoroughly because this exercise is totally based on that. How you are going to find the equation, solve the equation and find the value of x. Now the difference is we will put this value of x on our equation to find out whether our answer is correct or not, or we will verify the result. Now question number 1 says that 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. So what will happen? Bring 2x on the left hand side. So 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. So value of x comes out to be 18. Now what we will do it, we need to check whether the value of x 18 is correct or not. How we will do it? We will put this value 18 in our left hand side as well as right hand side and then compare whether the values coming for left hand side and right hand side are same or not. So in the left hand side we have only 3x. So 3 multiplied by 18 is 54. On my right hand side I have 2x plus 18. So 2 into 18 plus 18, that also comes out to be 54. Thus we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side and hence verified. The whole exercise is like this only. Find out the value of the variable given in the question and then put that value in the left hand side and right hand side. See whether the answer is coming same or not. Question number 2. 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Now you have variable and number on both the sides. Bring the variable on one side and number on the other side as per the rule like I have taught you. So here what I have done is I have brought 3t on my left hand side with the 5t and minus 3 I have taken on my right hand side, so it becomes plus 5. So the equation is 5t minus 3t which is equal to minus 5 plus 3, which comes out to be 2t is equal to minus 2, t comes out to be minus 1. Now I will put this minus 1 in my left hand side as well as on my right hand side and see whether both the answers are coming same or not. So on my left hand side equation we have 5t minus 3, 5 into minus 1 minus 3, it comes minus 8. Same way in the right hand side I have 3t minus 5, 3 into minus 1 minus 5, that comes out to be again minus 8. My left hand side is equal to right hand side and hence it is verified. Question number 3. 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Bring variable on the one side and numbers on the other side. So it becomes 5x minus 3x is equal to 5 minus 9. So 2x is equal to minus 4. X comes out to be minus 2. Now put this minus 2 in your left hand side. Your left hand side is 5x plus 9. So 5 into minus 2 plus 9 gives you minus 1. On my right hand side I have 5 plus 3x. So 5 plus 3 into minus 2. Again you solve it, you get minus 1. Your left hand side is equal to right hand side and hence verified. Question number 4. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Keep the variable on the one side and numbers on the other side. So it becomes 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 minus 3. Please take care of the sign. When you are changing their place from left to right or right to left, their sign will change. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. So please be careful while doing it. So 2z is equal to 3, z is equal to 3 upon 2. Now put this 3 upon 2 in your left hand side situation in order to check. Left hand side is 4z plus 3. So 4 into 3 upon 2 plus 3 gives you 6 plus 3 which is equal to 9. Your right hand side is 6 plus 2z. So 6 plus 2 into 3 upon 2, 2 gets cancelled. So 6 plus 3 again it is equal to 9. So left hand side is equal to right hand side and hence we have verified. Same way question number 5. 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. So 2x plus x is equal to 14 plus 1. 3x is equal to 15, x comes out to be 5. Your left hand side 2x minus 1, so 2 into 5 minus 1 gives you 9. 14 minus x, so 14 minus 5 again is equal to 9. Your left hand side is equal to right hand side. Question number 6. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 in bracket x minus 1 plus 7. The first and the foremost is you need to open the bracket which is given 3 into x minus 1. So we will write the equation as 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 multiplied by x, 3x, minus 3 into 1, 3, plus 7. So 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 4, minus 3 plus 7 gives you plus 4. Now take the variable on the one side and numbers on the other side. So it becomes 8x minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 4, which is 5x is equal to 0. X comes out to be 0. Now let's put this 0 in our equation, left hand side and right hand side. In the left hand side we have 8x plus 4. So 8 multiplied by 0 plus 4 gives you 4. On my right hand side 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So 3 into 0 minus 1 plus 7. So 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 7 gives 4. So left hand side is equal to right hand side and hence verified. Question number 7. X is equal to 4 upon 5 into x plus 10. Now here we can open the bracket, and since there is only one fraction with the multiplication, I can take my 5 on my left hand side and multiply with x. So it becomes 5x is equal to 4 into x plus 10. So this is a simple way of doing it. Otherwise what will happen is, if you multiply with the fraction, it can become little difficult. When you have a fraction with multiply, so 4 upon 5 you are multiplying with the bracket, only that thing is there. You can take your denominator on your other side. So now open the bracket. So 5x is equal to 4x plus 40. Take 4x with the 5x. So 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. X comes out to be 40. Now put these values. You have only x on your left hand side. So left hand side is 40 only. On your right hand side you have 4 upon 5 x plus 10. So x is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. 4 upon 5 into 50. 5 and 50 are divisible. It comes 40. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Question number 8. 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Now you see variables are in the fraction form. Bring them together. It will become 2x upon 3 minus of 7x upon 15 is equal to 3 minus 1. You will take 1 on the other hand side. Now for the variable, you have both the variables on the left hand side. Take the LCM of 15, try to solve it. It will become 10x minus 7x upon 15 is equal to 2, which is 3x upon 15 is equal to 2. You need to find out the value of x. So what will happen for 3? 3 is in the numerator, it will go in the denominator. 15 is in the denominator, it will go in the numerator. So it will become x is equal to 2 multiplied by 15 upon 3. X comes out to be 10, as 3 5s are 15, 5 into 2 is 10. So value of x comes out to be 10. Now this 10 we will put on the left hand side and the right hand side. In the left hand side you have 2x upon 3 plus 1. When you solve this you will get 23 upon 3. For your right hand side you have 7x upon 15 plus 3. When you solve this you will again get 23 upon 3. So your left hand side is equal to right hand side. Question number 9. 2y plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 26 upon 3 minus y. Now bring y closer to one another and numbers on the other hand side. So it will become 2y plus y is equal to 26 upon 3 minus 5 upon 3. Now 2y plus y is 3y and 26 upon 3 minus 5 upon 3, you have same denominator. So 26 minus 5 gives you 21 upon 3. Now value of y will be 21 upon 3 into 3. 3 7s are 21. So y comes out to be 7 upon 3. Put this 7 upon 3 in left hand side and right hand side. In left hand side you have 2y plus 5 upon 3, which means 2 into 7 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. You will get your answer as 19 upon 3. Right hand side you have 26 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3, again you got 19 upon 3. So both the sides are equal, left hand side is equal to right hand side and hence verified. Next question, 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. Now take 5m or variable on the one side. So 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8 upon 5. So 3m minus 5m gives you minus 2m is equal to minus 8 upon 5. Both the sides have minus minus, we can cancel it. So m is equal to 8 upon 5 multiplied by 2. M is equal to 4 upon 5. Put this 4 upon 5 in left hand side. 3 multiplied by 4 upon 5 gives you 12 upon 5. Right hand side, 5m minus 8 upon 5, which is 5 into 4 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5. You need to take the LCM here. You will get your answer 12 upon 5. Both left hand side and right hand side are equal, and hence we have verified. That's all for this exercise 2.3, children. I hope you must have understood. First, find out the value of the variables by putting the variable on the one side and numbers on the other side, and then put the value of that variable in your left hand side and right hand side and see whether both the answers are coming equal or not. If they are equal, it means our answer is correct. That's all, children. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. Very soon I am going to come with exercise 2.4. Till then, children, take care. Goodbye.